boys and girls, I'm Miss Raechel and welcome to Experimental English. Science experiments are a little bit like cooking up magic. With the right ingredients put together, we can do some really cool and magical things. In today's experiment, we're going to use vinegar. Vinegar is great for cooking, cleaning, and dipping your dumplings in. What do we need now to make a hot air balloon? I know! We need some white vinegar, some baking soda, an empty bottle, a spoon, and a balloon! Step 1. Get a grown-up to help you spoon the baking soda inside the balloon. Make sure that all the baking soda goes to the big bottom side of the balloon. Let's put some white vinegar inside our empty bottle. Step 3. Get your grown-up to help you put the balloon around the top of the bottle. It looks like water, but it's really sour and it smells kind of bad. That's because vinegar is an acidic, or in Cantonese, sun sing. Acidic ingredients have a natural opposite. Like hot and cold, or happy and sad are opposites, acidic's natural opposite is alkaline, or in Cantonese, gan sing. Boom! I hope you guys enjoyed the experiment today. That was really fun and not at all messy. I'm Miss Raechel, and I'll see you guys next time for Experimental English. Goodbye!